Good evening. Hello, good evening. Oh, I received the message. 9:31 evening. Almost okay. The word of the giving birth to yourself. Not, not like in the past. I feel in my body. Have a sicknesses in the body, but now almost okay. I did not mentioning your name because knowing who you are. Because I did not questioning because the name is only the giving of the mother and father, but the original, creating the original name, inferring to the giving of the mother and father. That's the reason you can create your original name and fair to the name giving your mother and father to activate your name, giving the life.